Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying to etch glass. These are the materials I used. So let's get started. I went to creativefabrica.com to look for a design. Wanted to try something simple because this is the first time I'm etching glass. So I decided to try a letter. Downloaded the letters, extract from the zip file, delete the original zip file, and this time I'm using PNG format. It was also a zip file, so I had to extract, upload to Cricut Design Space. I always choose complex, don't know why, but I just do it. Cut image, and I changed the width of the design to 3 inches. I did not have painter's tape as the tutorial video, so what I decided to do was cut the vinyl just a bit wider so it could cover the surface of the glass to prevent the etching cream from going out of the design. Now we are reverse weeding, which means that we are weeding the design instead of weeding the extra vinyl, because we are going to use it like a stencil. Add in transfer tape. Stick in the middle of the transfer tape down first and then pressing firmly both ends. Just getting all the bubbles out, making sure the design is lying flat. Now I am using cotton rounds and rubbing alcohol just to clean the surface of the glass. And because the glass is round, just simply take your scissors and cut on each side of the design little slits to ensure that the vinyl lay flat onto the glass. Now, because I am using a bigger piece of vinyl, I had to cut my slits a little deeper because I do not have painter's tape. It was a little bit tricky, but cutting deeper slits did do the trick. I had to remove the entire design because after laying it flat I realized that the line I drew with the marker was not straight. So good thing I did that. I just reapplied. Now it's time to add the etching cream. Ensure that you're wearing gloves, you have on some sort of eye protection, and wherever you are is ventilated. I use an ordinary paintbrush and I added a little of the cream at a time, ensuring that I cover every part of the design. And I did this for approximately 3 minutes. Just keep passing the paintbrush over and over, ensuring that we don't miss any part. So when we take off the vinyl, it will be properly etched. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Then wash it off. could do this with running water or a cloth and water. Peel off the vinyl after wiping dry the glass. This is how it turned out. Let me know what you think. I really enjoyed this project. If you tried, be sure to let me know and tag me in your post. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.